Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see how to delete a block. It is not a straightforward process to delete any block. For example, I want to delete this block, this chair block. Okay, I will select both of these chairs that are here. Okay, and I will press delete. Okay, from keyboard. Then I will go here in insert. I will see whether block is here or not. So you can see here block is still available here, chair block. Okay, I can still insert this block here anywhere. Okay, but if you want to just delete the block permanently, you can delete that one. To delete the block, make sure that you are not using that particular object in your drawing. So for example, I want to delete this chair. First I have to delete from here. Okay, I will delete this one. Then I will go into the application button, and here in the drawing utilities there is one option that is purge. Okay, I will click here, and here you can see some of the options that you can purge, like blocks, shapes, like this. Okay, right now I want to delete blocks, so I will click on block, then I will just hit here purge. Okay, then you can see here that you are about to purge block chair. What do you want to do? So I want to purge this. Okay, I will click on this, and you can see this purge button is grayed out. Now I will close this one. I will go again into the insert block option. I can check that whether it is still available or not. Okay, you can see here chair block is going to delete. Okay, this is how you can just delete the block. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.